collected 54 rocks on Monday, 79 rocks on Tuesday, and 83 rocks on Wednesday. He sorted the rocks equally into 4 different containers. How many rocks did Parker put in each container? So we're going to start off with either our important information or our question. What do we want to talk about first? The nod. Okay, pull out our important information. Go ahead. So we have 3 different days we're talking about. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
We can label the days.
Okay, we can use a label. That works for me. And put our numbers below. 54 on Monday. 79 on Tuesday.
And 83 on
Wednesday. Okay. Any other important parts we need? Oops, we turned up to 83, my bad. That's a T. What else is important in here? Aaron.
And he sorted the box equally into 4 different containers.
4 different containers. So after he got all of his rocks, he's sorting them into different containers. Going to sort the rocks into 4 different containers.
But first we need to figure out how much they have total.
Okay, and so our question, how many rocks did Parker put in each container? That's going to be our focus. How many rocks for each container? And so tell me about this word sort. What other words does it remind us of, Jamarion?
Like separated.
Separating. Okay, so when we see the words separating or splitting up or sorting, when it comes to math talk, what does that mean? Dividing. So we can infer that our last step, we're going to divide. Not necessarily our first step, but we know to answer that final question, we have to divide. And I love, Chaz, what you said. You said before we could figure out how he's going to sort them up or what he's going to put in each container, we first have to find the total amount of rocks.
Do it add first, then you would divide, so it's a 2-step problem.
Yes, sir. Yep. So first step, we're going to find the total number of rocks. And we know to find the total of something we can multiply or add. It makes more sense to add, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's take Mondays of 54. We can put our little labels off to the side. Tuesday of 79 and 83 for Wednesday. Now, if you're not comfortable with adding all 3 numbers together, remember you can add 2 first, get your answer, and then add Wednesdays, okay? All right, help me out here. 9 plus 4 is 13, plus 3 more. 16. Keep the 6, regroup your 10.
5 plus 4 is 6.
Okay, I don't see any doubles, I don't see any ways to make a 10, so we can start with 5 plus 1 is 6.
And then 6
Plus 7 is 13. Then we gotta add our 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
So you have to carry the 2.
And carry the 2 into our hundreds place.
2 plus 100 is 2.
Okay, so tell me about this number 216. What does that represent?
That's
The total of what?
Rock.
Rocks. So Parker going back up to our question to figure out if we're done yet. Can we stop here or do we need to go on? Our question's asking how many rocks for each container. Is it asking for the total?
No.
No, so can we stop?
No.
No, we haven't got to our question yet. So, Brian, what's he doing with the rocks? Yeah, he's sorting them into containers, right? And so we talked about how sorting means our last step we need to divide.
Wait a minute, is all these questions that we do, the last answer is dividing?
Not always. So let's take 216. How do I know what number to divide by?
Because it says right here, he sorted the rocks equally into 4 different containers and your total.
Joseph, do you agree with Zanab? We have to divide by 4?
With the 4. With the 4.
Yes? Divide by 4. 4 different containers. Because we're finding on our second step how many in each container. We know the total and we know the number of groups, we just don't know how many are going into each group. All right, Tammy, if I only have 2, can I make a group of 4? No, not enough. Put our 0 at the top. We haven't done anything yet. I still have my 2 left over.
So you would carry
Carry
the 2 1.
the 2 over to my 1 to make 21. Olivia, if I have 21 of something, can I make a few groups of 4? Absolutely. How can I figure out how many groups?
You can do multiples of 4.
Okay, that works. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Then we would go on to 24. Too much.
Because it wants 21.
Right. So we can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So you would put the 5 on the top and the 20 on the bottom.
5 groups of 4 make 20. And we have 1
One
left over. Bring it to the 6 to make 16.
You can only make 4 16.
Good, Quanell. 16 is a multiple of 4. 4 times 4. Are we going to have a remainder?
No.
Nope. So, you can make a note. There are no rocks left over. Okay, so our final answer, we gotta make sure 100% does it answer the question. And go back up to our question, how many rocks for each container? So how could we answer that in a complete sentence? We're talking about how many rocks is he gonna put in each container? Olivia.
He's gonna put 54 in each container.
Okay, let's use his name. What's his name?
Parker.
Parker, capital P for Parker. Parker is going to put 54 rocks in each container. How many rocks for each container? So we're identifying that answer. And so does it answer the question?